We're going to the zoo today. You never know what she's going to want to eat, so I got to basically pack everything. Beautiful day to be at the Philadelphia Zoo. Today I'm checking out their new ZOOtopiaries. Here's the butterfly, beautiful, made with 3,200 plants. I mean, it's stunning. It was made with 5,000 plants. Good God. Whoa, we're on the carousel. Whoa. Such a beautiful day. We're just sitting down and having some lunch. Yummy. Yummy. Mommy packed a yummy lunch. She just kissed the phone. This wagon is so extra, but I don't care. I love it. She has a little seat. And look, she could just eat in here.